Tonight, the man indicted for the destructive 2013 rimfire near Yosemite is no longer facing charges. Keith Emerald was accused of causing the devastating wildfire when he lost control of his campfire. Good evening, I'm Christina Anderson.
I'm Sam Shane. Today, the U.S. Attorney filed a motion to dismiss these charges after two key witnesses in the case died. CBS 13's Anjali Hemphill is live getting answers on how this could happen. Anjali?
These two key witnesses died about a month apart before this case was ever heard. And prosecutors say their statements are now considered hearsay. And that had us wondering, could more have been done to protect their testimony?
The 2013 rimfire burned for 2 months near Yosemite National Park, causing $125 million in damage. But today, the man accused of starting it, Keith Emerald, is free, even though he never went to trial. In February, a 34-year-old key witness died after accidentally driving off a cliff while on the job. A month later, the prosecution's second key witness died of a heart attack. Court records identify him as 72-year-old helicopter pilot Jerry Bonner, who was one of the first on the scene of the fire and rescued Emerald from the flames.
That is really an unusual set of circumstances to have happen.
Defense attorney Linda Parisi says there is a way to record witness testimony called a conditional exam before trial. But the courts only grant the exam under exceptional circumstances, like if the witness is elderly or has a known medical condition.
Can you go to court any time and just say, I'd like a conditional exam just as an insurance policy? No, not really, because that would deny the jury the opportunity of being able to observe the demeanor of the witnesses, and that's a critical part for the jury to make decisions.
The U.S. attorney says the death of both key witnesses was unexpected.
Hindsight is always 20/20.
And for now, no one will be held responsible for starting a fire that burned 250,000 acres of California land.
In this situation, we don't get the full benefit of the judicial process because the people expired before we could hear their testimony. While that certainly is unfortunate, the greater goal of making sure that we protect our constitutional principles has been well served.
Parisi tells me in her decades of experience as an attorney, she's never seen a case where all the key witnesses passed away before the trial.
All right, remarkable turn of events there. Thank you very much, Anjali. Live for us tonight in downtown Sacramento.